Hi guys, welcome back. You're watching DigiConvex. Today our topic is blockchain. Do you know what is blockchain? Where it is used? Don't you know? Okay, no issues. I will walk you through what it is, how it's used. Initially, blockchain technology is more simply defined as decentralized distributed ledger that records provenance of a digital asset. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain, sometimes referred to as distributed ledger technology, makes the history of any digital asset unalterable and transparent through the use of decentralization and cryptographic hashing. A simple analogy for understanding the blockchain technology is a Google Doc. When we create a document and share it with a group of people, the document is distributed instead of copied or transferred. This creates a decentralized distribution chain that gives everyone access to the document at the same time. No one is locked out awaiting changes from another party, while all modifications to the doc are being recorded in real time, making change completely transparent. Of course, blockchain is more complicated than a Google Doc, but the analogy is apt because it illustrates three critical ideas of the technology. Those are digital assets are distributed instead of copied or transferred. The asset is decentralized, allowing full real-time access. A transparent ledger of changes preserves integrity of document, which creates trust in the asset. Blockchain is an especially promising and revolutionary technology because it helps to reduce risk, stamps out fraud, and brings transparency in a scalable way for myriad users. How does blockchain work? Blockchain consists of three important concepts: blocks, nodes, and miners. Blocks. Every chain consists of multiple blocks and each block has three basic elements. Those are the data in the block, a 32-bit whole number called a nonce. The nonce is randomly generated when a block is created, which then generates a block header hash. The hash is 256-bit number wedded to the nonce. It must start with a huge number of zeros. When the first block of the chain is created, a nonce generates the cryptographic hash. The data in the block is considered signed and forever tied to the nonce and hash unless is mined. Miners. Miners create new blocks on the chain through a process called mining. In a blockchain, every block has its own unique nonce and hash, but also references the hash of the previous block in the chain. So mining a block isn't easy, especially on the large chains. Miners use special software to solve the incredible complex math problem of finding nonce that generate an accepted hash. Because the nonce is only 32 bits and the hash is 256 bits. There are roughly 4 billion possible nonce hash combinations that must be mined before right one is found. When that happens, miners are said to have found the golden nonce and their blocks is added to the chain. Making a change to any block earlier in the chain requires remining not just the block with the change, but all the blocks that come after. This is why it's extremely difficult to manipulate blockchain technology. Think of it as safety in math, since finding golden nonce requires an enormous amount of time and computing power. When a block is successfully mined, the change is accepted by all of the nodes on the network, and the miner is rewarded financially. Nodes. One of the most important concepts in blockchain technology is decentralization. No one computer or organization can own the chain. Instead, it is a distributed ledger via the nodes connected to the chain. Nodes can be any kind of electronic devices that maintain copies of the blockchain and keeps the network functioning. Every node has its own copy of blockchain and network must algorithmically approve any newly mined block of the chain to be updated, trusted and verified. Since the blockchain are transparent, every action in the ledger can be easily checked and viewed. Each participant in a given unique alphanumerical identification number that shows their transactions. Combining public information with a system of checks and balances helps the blockchain maintain integrity and create trust among the users. Essentially, blockchain can be thought of as an scalability of trust via technology. Blockchain has nearly endless amount of application across almost every industry. The ledger technology can be applied to track fraud in finance, securely share patients' medical records between healthcare professionals, and even act as a better way to track intellectual property in business and music rights for artists. Blockchain technology used in payment processing and money transfers, monitor supply chains, retail loyalty rewards programs, digital IDs, data sharing, copyright and royalty protection, digital voting, real estate, land and auto title transfers, and many more. That's it. This is all about today's topic. Keep watching DigiConvex for more interesting videos. Bye bye.